And let's really quickly start with the Shein outfit. What I do think about this outfit. If I will be purchasing sassy pants, I do love poor. It is poor. This just looks so girly. I mean, did I see this? Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're just tuning in for the very first time, my name is Nike. Thank you so much for being here. So without further ado, let's dive straight into this video. I want to be doing a very quick kids clothing haul. So now it's gonna be like a comparison, basically. So what happened is over the weekend I was able to go shopping for my kids. Well, technically I didn't even go kids shopping. I went to Kohls to go get underwear. And I found myself shopping for kids. You know, you just never stop shopping for this kid. Anyway, I decided to take it upon myself and buy outfits for them. We're in August now. Before you know it, September is around the corner and they need new outfits again, guys, especially if your kids go to daycare, you know. And again, you don't want your kids looking funny. I'm someone who is always particular about what my kids wear. I really don't care about myself. I could look anyhow, but my kids, I know they play. I don't play, you know. So I bought some stuff from Kohls over the weekend, but before that, I did shop online. I never knew Shein had kids clothing until at Kohls World did a review with her daughter some time back. Shout out to at Kohls World, and I was like, wow, okay, I'll check them out sometime. But you guys know I always shop ahead of time, so I didn't check them out until like very recently, and lucky me, the items just arrived this morning. So I'm like, awesome. Even though I have checked the items out, I'm like, I need to come and show you guys what I bought. And will I still be shopping kids clothing item from Shein? You guys, I would let you guys know while I make the video. In the rest of the video, you guys be aware. So just gonna start real quick. Let me grab this here and not waste anybody's time. So this is Ariel's outfit I got from Shein. I'm gonna start with the Shein outfit, guys. We're gonna start with the Shein outfit. And here is Izzy's outfit I got from Shein. So I'm just gonna put this Kohls bag down and let's really quickly start with the Shein outfit. What I do think about this outfit, if I will be purchasing from Shein again, and if I will recommend for you guys to purchase from Shein. Now I want to say this, it's all based on preference. Now this is my own personal preference about Shein. It is what I think. I will give you guys my honest review, okay? So this is the first outfit. It's a sweater. It's so beautiful. As you guys can see, it has a unicorn. I did love it when I saw it on the model. I'm gonna put a picture of each outfit and what it looked like on the kid model. And you guys see, this is so beautiful. So I was like, oh wow, I love this. So for this one, I love the texture of the pants. I was thinking it was gonna be like a sweatpants, but it's more of like, I don't know if they put the kind of material here. Well, it's like an elastic material. It's elastic, and this came in the size US 2Y. Ariel is 2, so I believe this should have been a 2T. You guys know that I don't shop on Shein, so I don't know how they do their sizing, but I just used my discretion while I was shopping to know that, okay, this is gonna be her size. Okay, that's one. This is another set of outfits, and this says Little Miss Sassy Pants. I do love this. This is the pants. I do love the pants. It's a hipster pant. It comes in floral, but the fabric again is elastic. I think it's cool. For this one, I think it's cool. I'm gonna put the picture for you guys to see. So yes, for this one, I love the quality. I just didn't like the finishing touch. It looks so cheap. You guys see that? And I haven't tried it on her yet, so I'll probably do that and see how it goes. If it's not her size now, she'll wear it later, you know. I'm not in a hurry. Already, I don't even like the fabric. Yes, I do not even like the fabric. It is annoying. It came in a size 100. This is a skirt, I like to buy skirt for her now because she's potty training, so skirt is pretty easier for her because in daycare they complained about her not being able to pull her pants down. And this is the belt that it came with. Obviously I'll be putting a picture of the model for you guys to see. The shirt is horrible, although I do like the inscription of the shirt. It says little sis, but the fabric is not it at all. You guys see it's elastic. It's not, it's so cheap. Like you guys see, you know when you see clothes like this, the finishing is poor. It is poor finishing, poor sewing. So this is the belt for it. She's not gonna wear this to school. And this is another set. I don't know if it's this and this. Well, I love this. I love the fabric. It is beautiful. I'll put the model for you guys to see. This is it, and this is what the back is looking like. It's like a cross back outfit. It's so cute. I don't even know what size 100. Yeah, so basically I think they go by 100 and all that stuff. This one is a 90. Are you sure this is the shirt? Give me a second, guys. I'm not sure that's the shirt. Yeah, that's not the shirt for this. I believe it's this one. Let me be sure. Yes, so this is actually for fall, and it's like a turtleneck. I love the fabric, I love the design. Let me pull this up for you guys to see real quick. Do you guys see the design? So this is what the hand looks like. I really like it. It's cute. The fabric is not bad, to be honest with you guys. So she's gonna be putting this on to school. You know, it's so beautiful. I love the design on here. I love the cross back. It's cute. It looks really cute on the model. That's why I got it. So this is a size 90. She's gonna be putting this on pretty soon, like ASAP. This has like the lacy stuff on it. I love the fabric. It's not so bad. It's manageable. For this one is a size 92 as well. It's very little, as you guys can see. It was kind of like the concept of the last one, but this was not a cross back. This was a straight back, and then it has buttons. I do not like the fabric. It's a very cheap fabric. Look at the finishing. You guys see it's very cheap. So she'll probably just put this on tomorrow, and that's it. I don't know what's gonna happen. And the next one here is Easy's outfit. I kind of feel like you buy more girl stuff than you buy more boy stuff, because I didn't even know that I just got little items for him, although he has clothes. Now this is the shirt. It came as a top and bottom. When I saw it, I did like it, but I was questioning it. I even went to Mr. T. I was like, look at this very beautiful shirt. This is in a size 4Y. That's 4 years old. And now this is how it came. I'm obviously going to be putting the picture of the model or how it looked on Shein. But you guys see this? You guys should let me know. Is this for girls or for boys? Like, look at this. Is this... I don't know. I kind of feel this is for girls. Like... yeah, I don't know. This just looks so girly. I mean, did I see this? This doesn't look like something that a boy is gonna put on. Am I being paranoid? But it just looks weird, you know, with the... I don't know, guys. You just let me know. Maybe I'm not fashionable. Maybe I'm too old school. So, I don't know. Oh my god, this is a mess. This is a whole mess. I feel like putting it in the clothes I'm going to be sending it to Goodwill. Now, this is even in a size 110, and look at how small the short is looking. Like, the fabric is so cheap, transparent. I don't know if you guys can see through it. Like, you guys see? I don't know if you guys can see. See, you can see me, can you? What kind of... You know what? That's about that, guys. Even the shirt itself, very beautiful shirt, but just look at it. Look at it. Like, it's silk, size 110. It even looks so small, like it's not gonna be his size. So now this came this way. This, I don't even know if he's gonna wear it. If he wears it maybe at home, I'm not even gonna let him wear this to school because it's gonna be cold. They put on the AC in school, so I wouldn't even suggest anybody see this kind of thing and buy it off of Shein. And this, last but not the least, I do love this. I love the fabric. It is absolutely beautiful. It's a matching set as well. It came with the pants, which has the dinosaur on it. The pants is not bad as well, you know. See, this is like, out of all of Easy stuff, this is like the most beautiful. I kind of feel this is the only thing I even got from him because this is the only good outfits that came with it. So now these are all the items I did get for Shein. Anyway, since I do see time is running out here, I'm just gonna do a quick run through for you guys to see what I got from Kohls and how much I spent. I spent relatively the same amount. For Shein right now, I can't even tell how much I spent until I log into the app, which I will do, and I will put it there. I'll put it somewhere here. The same thing, almost the same with, you know, what I spent in Kohls, probably around the same in Kohls, probably the same around price. So this is for Ariel, obviously. It's a top and bottom. It is so cute, guys. You guys see this? I so love this. It's a hoodie. Now we're getting into hoodie season. I did get this for her in a size 3T and the top in a size 2T. Now why did I get the top in a size 2T? That was the only size that was available. Parents had gone ahead of me and picked all the size 4T. I was so mad. I was like, okay, but I'll still buy it for her because it's cute. And the second one here is a hoodie. It's a gray hoodie with the dinosaur in it. It was really hard for me to get top and bottom, matching tops and bottoms, just the way I got one for Ariel here. But this is so beautiful. I did like it. It's a hoodie. Easy loves hoodies, so I was able to get this for him. Hey, let me just you guys. I went to the store with Izzy. I was not like, oh, Izzy, do you like this? Between this and this, I think it was like 3 shirts. I was like, which one do you like? And Izzy was like, mommy, I think maybe I like all 3, so buy all 3. I was like, well done, no, Mr. Smart Guy. He couldn't pick one. I was like, look at this boy. And then the next one here is a Mickey Mouse hoodie. Now this is for Izzy. I do remember they had for girls, but I didn't pick the girls one, did I? I would know when I continue. Anyway, this is in a size 14. It was $20. This is also another one I got for Izzy. This is the camouflage, what do you call this, guys? This is not a shirt. Those things you wear inside your clothes when it's cold. Thermal wear! Yes, guys. So this is a thermal wear. And I got this in a size 5T for Izzy. It's a camel thermal wear. Now, because I wasn't able to get matching, so what I did was I picked up this green sweatpants for Izzy. I picked up this green sweatpants for him in a size 5T, and I am gonna be pairing it for him with this camo hoodie in a size 4T. So this was my own combination, which I think goes well, you know. So he's gonna be putting this on this way. My bag just fell, guys. And then this also I got for Izzy. It's a hoodie. It's a hoodie I got in a size 5T. It says it's the softest fleece. I love the texture. I love the quality. You can't compare Kohls to a Shein now. And this is for Ariel, guys. I got it for her in a size 3T. So I'm still gonna go back to Kohls and get her more hoodies, because guys, if you don't buy it now, when the time comes, you will not see hoodie. You'll be seeing jackets. Rather, you sell lots and lots and lots of jackets. So we want to get more sweaters for them for the cold season. And I'm still gonna keep shopping for these kids from both Kohls. If I go to Burlington, Ross, I see stuff for them, I'll buy. But the major place I shop for them, because it's from the comfort of my home, is Carter's or the children's place, which I will still keep doing. But I just thought to come show you guys all the stuff that I got and let you guys know that I will not be shopping on Shein. Now, did I expect that these clothes would be like this? Yes. Not 100%. I was like, at least we'll see something. And you know, it's my first time, so it's gonna give me a feel to know if I'm gonna purchase from them or not. But you know what, guys, Nike ain't doing that no more. Except if I have a little bit of money to splurge. But right now with kids, things are expensive. So no, I would not be shopping kids out clothing from Shein, except I need top and bottom for Ariel, which you hardly get in the store. Maybe I'll try. So will I advise you to try? I'll say try at your own risk, but me, I'll tell you no. So you will not come and say it was Nike that said, oh, shopping on Shein is this, is that. Stories that such I don't want to hear. But you guys can see the quality difference. There's huge difference shopping from Shein and Kohls. So yes, I probably spent more money shopping at Kohls, but I'm gonna get more worth for my money than when I shop from Shein. Alright guys, that is all I had to show you guys today. Please, if you've been watching to this very extent, I really do appreciate you. Thanks for all the love. I really appreciate everyone that comes to this channel, leaves a comment, like, subscribes, and you know, I really appreciate you. Even those that share, oh my god, you guys are awesome. Everybody, thank you so much for just taking out that little space of your time to be like, let me support Nike. It goes a long way, and I do appreciate it. Sometimes I want to give up. I was like, you know what, there are people that are my fans. Some fans me. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do remember to hit the like and the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.